Hello and good morning to Dr. Bong. We are from group AI Avengers, and today we are going to present our project, which is fake job detection using AI. My name is Muhammad Faiz Izzuddin Ishaq, matrix number 101903, and today I will begin this presentation with introduction. So our project is focuses on fake job detection using artificial intelligence. Today, many people rely on online recruitment platforms such as JobStreet and other job portals to search for employment opportunities. While these platforms have made job hunting faster and more convenient, they have also created opportunities for scammers to post fraudulent job advertisements. Fake job posting can expose job seekers to various risks, including identity theft, financial scam, phishing attack, and the misuse of personal information. As the number of online job advertisements continue to grow, it becomes increasingly difficult for people to manually distinguish between genuine and fraudulent posting. In many cases, these scams are written in a professional and convincing manners, making them harder to detect. To address this issue, our project uses artificial intelligence, machine learning, and natural language processing technique to automatically identify suspicious job advertisement. By analyzing important information such as job title, company profile, job description, and salary detail, the system can recognize hidden patterns and characteristics that are commonly associated with fraudulent posting. The main objective of this project is to develop an effective method for detecting fake job advertisement and to evaluate how Azure AI service can be used to support this process. Ultimately, our project aims to contribute to a safer, more transparent, and more trustworthy digital recruitment environment for job seekers and employers.
Thank you to Faiz. My name is Conrad Banesli Anak Libyo, number matrix 98563. So the next one is data collection and cleaning process. In this part, to achieve this, we assembled a specialized dataset consisting of 50 total job postings, split into 30 real jobs and 20 fake jobs. We collected key features including the job title, company description, salary, and geographical location, manually applying a ground truth label where 0 represents real and 1 represents fake. Before feeding this data into our AI model, we engineered a clean pre-processing pipeline. First, missing salary fields were standardized as not specified. Second, we executed text normalization by stripping out extraneous HTML tags, special symbols, and redundant white spaces. This maximizes our NLP processing efficiency. The next step is to process unstructured text effectively. A robust cloud infrastructure is required. We deployed a dedicated Azure AI language service, multi-service account name, fake job detection, under the Azure for Students subscription, located in the Southeast Asia region. This resource acts as our computational engine, giving us access to pre-trained machine learning models without needing heavy on-premise hardware. Next is key phrase extraction and linguistic markers. Using Azure AI Language Studio, we put our unstructured job descriptions through a text mining pipeline to extract key phrases and cross-examine linguistic markers. The AI successfully isolated core suspicious patterns that drastically deviate from standard corporate HR practice. Coercive urgency, phrases like immediate hiring or apply now, alongside non-professional, direct contact vectors like personal emails. Financial hyperbole, outsized income promises such as earn $5,000 per week, paired with practically zero experiential barriers to entry. The next one is structural inconsistency, arbitrary capitalization, typographic errors, and an absolute lack of company overviews. Let's look at an explicit example evaluated in Language Studio. For text promising high weekly earnings and demanding immediate contact via a personal email address, Azure's key phrases extraction isolated terms like immediate hiring, earn, and William 1-2, perfectly mapping the indicators we needed to flag it.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Shahid Irfan bin Arif. My metric number is 99985. I will explain about analysis and comparison. When analyzing job scam, we found that fraudulent posting consistently trigger three main red flags. Firstly, urgent and coercive language. They push high pressure phrases like apply now and use sketchy personal email to bypass standard corporate HR system. Secondly, hyperbolic financial incentive. They bait victim with unrealistic promises like earning $5,000 a week for role requiring zero prior experience. Thirdly, grammatical and structural flaw. They completely lack proper company overviews and riddled with arbitrary capitalization and typos. Next, pattern analysis and label comparison. To see how effectively AI catch this flag, we test Azure AI against our manually verified baseline. As shown in this comparison table, for JB4 and JB12, Azure AI successfully flagged the hyperbole and sketchy contact channel, accurately marking them as fake. For JB27, it recognized a legitimate structure, corporate profile, and correctly market it real. However, JB41 show an interesting edge case, slight ambiguity in the company name trigger a false positive, causing a mismatch where a real job was flagged as fake. Next, evaluation and mapping accuracy summary. Looking at our full system evaluation across 50 posting, the results are highly promising. Our confusion metric show 18 true positive and 28 true negative against only 3 false positive and a single false negative. This map out to excellent performance metric. 92.0% accuracy, proving the model is highly dependable overall. 85.7% precision, meaning our fact alert are highly reliable, and most importantly, 94.7% recall in threat detection, ensuring that nearly 95% of fraudulent posting are successfully caught is crucial for keeping users safe.
By looking at our data visualization, our 50 posting distribution consists of a 60% real to 14% fake job split. The green one indicates to real jobs, meanwhile the red one indicates to fake jobs. Real job is shown as 0, meanwhile fake job shown as 1. In this slide, it shows the frequency of suspicious keywords where we divide it into four. The first one is suspicious company name, the second one is missing salary, the third one is vague or short description, and the last one is for the urgent language. When we look closer at the 20 fact posting, our chart shows that a suspicious company name is the single most common indicator appearing in 18 instances. This is closely followed by missing salary information in 40 instances. Interestingly, vague description and urgent language were less frequent, appearing in only 4 and 2 postings respectively. This highlights that company legitimacy and transparency are our critical features for detection. In conclusion, this project successfully demonstrates how modern cloud-based AI workflows can be deployed systematically to build a safer, transparent, and more trustworthy digital hiring ecosystem. That is all from us. Thank you.